Hi guys, come with me while I straighten up my bedroom slash storage room. Excuse me for the light. As an online boutique owner, this is kind of what it's looking like right now. It is a spare bedroom, but this is kind of where I keep all of my inventory, and I want you to stay with me while I straighten it all out. You might be wondering, how did that room get like that? Well, as an online boutique owner, I'm always looking for opportunities to film content or take pictures in the clothing I sell. Being a boutique owner is not easy, but running an online boutique is even harder because you, the consumer, do not have the opportunity to see the clothing in person or touch and see how it feels. So I have to be able to communicate that to you through the lens. I sell both clothing and jewelry, and right now my niche is really more office wear clothing. If you don't know, I'm a veteran of the United States Army where I served 6.5 years, and it got redundant wearing the same uniform day in and day out. So when I transitioned to civilian life, I was so excited about being able to have a wardrobe that can be different every day. Most people would not like that, but I love variety. So right now, these are some of the tops that I have and that I'm selling to you. I'm really excited about it. They do come in 3 colors. They're available on my website. So I got into clothing when I got out of the military and really found it hard to find traditional clothing but had a modern take to it. Traveling the military, the only place where I really found the style of clothing I loved was when I was stationed in Germany. Europe was way ahead of the fashion game. I'm storing the excess clothing in the closet in the room, and I take the clothing out of the original package and repackage them in my Monique's Couture fashion packaging. The jewelry comes in one big plastic bag, and I like to get rid of excess plastic where I can, plastic and paper. So now many of the clothes were laying across the bed because they were a part of a recent photo shoot, and I did not have the time to hang them back up. So I lay them across the bed, and I come and hang them up afterward so that they can be ready for the next photo shoot. Today is one of those gloomy days where the weather is not the best, so I thought this was the best time to knock this out. That's one of my favorite suits right there, the green suit. So this is some of the packaging that I use to repackage the clothing before I put it in the shipping bag. They do come in 2 different sizes, and they do have my logo on it. Some of these have already had labels in them, so I take the label off of them, and I put them in the I put new clothing in them. These are the shipping bags that you will receive when the item is mailed your way. They have our logo on them as well. Now these are a pair of our palazzo pants, and they are in red. These are actually my favorite pair of pants that we sell. And I'm hanging them up for the next photo shoot or until they're sold. This skirt has not done too well as far as sales are in the store. Although it's a gorgeous flowing skirt, I don't think the ladies like it too much, but I definitely love it. This brown shirt is one of my personal shirts that I used when we were taking photos because it matches my signature pants suit. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this away. That's not for sale. This gorgeous blouse is a sheer blouse, but it can be styled so many ways and is actually a great seller. People who purchased this wore this under a suit, or if they wore it as a top, wore a solid tank underneath it, and they've received so many compliments. So right now, I'm just sorting through everything so I can see how many hangers I need as I have accumulated new inventory. So this is a light that I use quite often. My house does not get the best sunlight, so I'm always having to put on extra lights where I can. I don't know if you can tell, but to the left of this video that there's a light on. This is one of those lights that I have to take apart, and it is a little cumbersome, but I get it done. Y'all, pollen is so high in Texas today. My eyes just look so puffy and I am struggling. I have to break down this pole so that I can make it smaller, so that I can store it a little bit better and a little bit easier. It's a little stiff, but I get it done. Boom, got her done. More plastic that I'm putting on the floor, more paper. So this is a cute hanger that I bought to hang the clothes on for its shape. And I actually have several of those. I put all of the excess plastic in boxes on the floor so that I can collect it all and throw it out. I actually recycle, but I just go ahead and get rid of them because the clothes are just, it doesn't look right, or it doesn't look nice when I'm trying to store it all. And I'm putting, again, everything in my storage closet so that the bedroom looks nice and neat, and getting rid of that box. I'm getting there. More debris and more extra paper that I have to get rid of. So this little thing is a hanging device that I use when I bought clothing to a photo shoot. And I did not want the clothes just lying around, so I bought it to hang it up on, and I'm just kind of leaning it out. Okay, so I've got it mostly straightened out. I gotta get a few more hangers for these items, and some of these items already have bags with it, so I'm going to put them in the bags. Here are the jewelry pieces that I have. Let me show you inside of the closet. I just got a few things I need to straighten out here in the closet. But for that, I'll be pretty much done. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.